Did you know that you can make up to $470 just by reading? You will know exactly how you can do this after you watch this video, so make sure to stick with me until the end of it. This is now one of the simplest ways to make money online. So how can you do it? This is how to earn $470 per hour just by reading. I will teach you how you can earn from this on autopilot, so you will earn even more money without any work. This is one of the best ways to make money online. It is super simple and easy, but you have to set it up right, and you can start making money by doing absolutely nothing. Make sure to keep watching because I will show you how to do it. You don't need any prior experience to get started with this. This method is completely free, which means that you don't need to invest any money in the beginning. Also, this method is available worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you are from. You will be able to make money with this method. All you need is your smartphone or your computer to start earning money every day with this method. Now, before we start with the video, welcome to X Finance, where we teach you how to make money every week. If you get some value out of this video, make sure to leave a like on it and consider subscribing to my channel with the notification bell on. In that way you will always be notified when I upload a new money making method, and you can be first to use it and of course make the most money. And don't forget that I will give you a special bonus at the end of this video, which will allow you to double or even triple your income from this method. So make sure to watch this video until the end to not miss any of my tips and bonuses in this video. Now let's start with the method. Step number 1 for you will be to go to this website called ACX. You don't need to struggle on the internet to find the websites that you need, because I have left you all the links that you will need in this video down below in the description. So work smarter and feel free to click on the links from the description. Now this website will help you to transfer your written book into an audio book. Don't worry, you will not need to write any books yourself. You will just need to read some of them to earn money with this method. As you can see here, your audiobook will be sold through these online retailers: Audible, Amazon and iTunes. So this website can publish the books that you convert on this website, and you can earn from these websites here. But that is not what we will do. We will use this website in a completely different way. I will open up this page. As you can see here on this page, it is the narrator's job. So this website is hiring narrators to work for them. If you don't know what narrators are, these are the people who are just reading something and being paid for that. That is exactly why you click on this video, because you want to earn money just by reading. Now let's see what is required from you to do with this job. As you can see, first you need to create an absolutely free account on this website. After that you will be paid. Now before I show you how you can use this website and can start making money immediately, make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell. Make some money. There are some ways that you can get paid from this website. Pay close attention now, because this is probably the most important part of this story. You can get paid in two ways. You can choose to be paid per hour or per minute that you read texts they send you. It is a really safe option and you don't need to worry, because you will always be paid as much as you work. Now one bonus tip, and the second way that you can get paid is to share royalties on these books 50-50. In this way you take a risk that you will maybe not get paid, but on the other hand, if the book or project does good, you will get paid probably much more.